The rumors are true. The government is now openly considering raising your income tax, possibly as soon as November 26th autumn budget, and this time they are not denying it. Hi, I'm Rubina, a qualified accountant with over 20 plus years experience, and today I'm unpacking what could be one of the biggest U-turn of the year. Keir Starmer and Rachel Reeves hinting at a 1% rise in income tax to plug a 30 billion black hole in the public finances. So let's break it down. What this means for your income, your spending power, and your future. What is changing? For months, Labour promised no rise in income tax, national insurance, or VAT. But that line is now gone. Downing Street says the choice is clear. Investment and hope or cuts and division means either they raise taxes or we face another round of austerity. And guess where they are looking first. Here is what is on the table. A 1% rise in the basic rate of income tax from 20% to 21% could raise 8.2 billion a year. A 1% rise in the higher rate from 40% to 41% brings in only 2.1 billion. So if the goal is to fill the 30 billion gap, the pressure is on to go after the basic rate earners, the majority of the workforce. That means anyone earning over £12,570 could soon see a smaller net income. This money, they say, would go to the NHS and boosting growth, the stealth option, threshold freeze. But that is not all. They are also considering extending the income tax threshold freeze beyond 2028. That is the stealth tax move that quietly drags millions more into paying higher tax every year as wages rise. So even if the rate doesn't go up, your tax bill might. Impact on the public. Let's talk real numbers. If you earn £35,000 a year, a 1% rise could cost you around £175 more per year. At £60,000, it is closer to £350. That is money that used to go towards your savings, your family, or your rising grocery bills. And small business owners, you will feel it twice, once through PAYE and again through squeezed consumer spending. The political gamble. For Starmer, this is risky. He is betting that voters would rather pay slightly more tax than see cuts to the NHS or schools, but breaking a manifesto promise that could test public trust fast. So, are we heading for a tax rise for growth or a return to stealth austerity? We will find out on November 26th when the autumn budget drops in. If you want clear, jargon-free breakdowns on every budget change, hit that subscribe button now so you don't wake up to higher taxes you did not see coming. I'm Rubina from Pyramid Point Accountants, helping you turn tax news into financial clarity.